Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's very rare that pythons kill humans, but not unheard of. It occasionally happens if the circumstances are just right. Oftentimes, it's just kind of a perfect storm where you get a big hungry snake in close proximity to humans.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Does a ball python bite hurt? You will probably feel the effects of a python bite because it can cause scratches, puncture wounds, bruising, and even possibly deeper internal damage. These bites may be painful during the bite and as your injuries heal.
Take our lead.
Humane methods for killing pythons. Using a captive bolt gun. To target the correct area, draw an imaginary line from the rear left of the head to the right eye, and then draw another line from the rear right of the head to the left eye. Ferris et al. Using a firearm. Decapitating the python.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
They are fairly docile, but may bite you for one reason or another. Ball pythons are not venomous and don't have fangs, so a bite may not be as severe as other snake bites. Ball pythons are also known as royal pythons.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Although its interactivity and beauty draws much attention, some feel it is unpredictable. It does not attack humans by nature, but will bite and possibly constrict if it feels threatened, or mistakes a hand for food. While not venomous, large pythons can inflict serious injuries, sometimes requiring stitches.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Your carpet python is a good demonstration of an animal of low intelligence displaying a strong ability to remember and navigate to a known location. It's a very common ability among animals, intelligent and not so intelligent.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Python meat is a delicacy that can sell to connoisseurs for up to $50 a pound. And it turns out our homegrown snakes are anything but edible. The pythons have 3 times more mercury than native alligators. And unfortunately, the high mercury levels aren't putting a damper on their reproduction.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.